You didn't work today, and your brain gave you a standing ovation for it. Right now, I'm going to show you the one habit that separates people who actually get ahead from people who just look busy. And I promise you, you're doing the wrong one. If you don't fix this today, you'll spend the next year exhausted, broke, and wondering why nothing is changing. There is a thing I call masked laziness, and it's probably the most dangerous form of self-sabotage that exists, because you can't fight something you think is helping you. Here's how it works. You spend 3 hours researching the perfect gym plan instead of going to the gym. You reorganize your Notion, color code your calendar, watch 2 videos on morning routines, and at the end of the day, you're exhausted. You tell yourself, I worked so hard today. But did you? Really? Your brain loves this. Checking boxes releases dopamine. Clean desk? Good job, you survived. But real work, writing the book, making the call, filming the video, that carries risk. Risk of failure, risk of looking stupid. So you retreat to the safe tasks. You can't fail at organizing your folders. It's comfortable, and it's killing you. Be honest with me for once. Go to the comments and type the productive thing you did today that was actually just avoidance. I reorganized my Spotify playlists. I spent an hour picking a font. I made a spreadsheet for my spreadsheets. Type it. Expose the mask. So here's the part that, really messes people up. Real work doesn't feel productive. It feels slow. It feels like staring at a blank page and feeling stupid. And because it feels bad, you think something is wrong. You think, if I was good at this, it would feel easy. It would flow. That's garbage. That flow state everyone talks about, it comes after the struggle, not before. Nobody tells you that part. The reason you procrastinate isn't because you're lazy. It's because you're, emotionally fragile. You can't sit with the discomfort of not knowing what you're doing. So you run back to the emails, back to the cleaning, back to feeling productive. Let's do some math. 10 hours organizing your desk, $0 made. Your efficiency is 0. 10 minutes making one sloppy phone call, close a deal, infinite efficiency. It's input versus output. That's it. Efficiency is input versus output. That's it. And right now, you're putting in maximum input for 0 output and calling it grinding. You're not grinding, you're hiding. And the people passing you, they're not smarter. They're just not afraid to look messy while they actually work. So how do you fix this? Stupidly simple. It's called scary task first. Look at your to-do list right now. Find the one item that makes your stomach drop. The one you've been pushing to tomorrow for the last week. That's the only thing that matters. Everything else is noise. New rule. You are not allowed to touch any busy work until that one terrifying task is done. No email, no cleaning, no prepping. You sit down and you do the hard thing while it still sucks. Stop waiting to feel motivated. You don't need to feel good to work. You just need to move your hands. And, here's what nobody expects. Once you actually do it, the anxiety disappears. Because the anxiety was never coming from the work. It was coming from the avoidance. You were spending more energy dodging the task than the task would have taken. Most of you are going to close this video and go reorganize your sock drawer. Your brain will reward you for it. And nothing will change. But if you're actually done performing, type scary task in the comments. And then name the task. Not I'll try later. Name the actual thing you've been avoiding. Expose it. That's step 1. Now, drop a question about your worst avoidance habit. I want to see who's honest and who's still pretending. If this keeps helping you, please subscribe. See you soon. In the next video, I'm breaking down why your brain keeps you broke using the exact same tricks. Same dopamine, same avoidance. Different price tag. That one is going to cost you.